Okay, we got us some spray adhesive and we're gonna try and stick that stuff up there. Mess around, we'll just get with it here. Oh. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Okay. Oh. Oh. If I go on a mad cussing spree, I'll have to edit it out. Love favors the innocent, so little one, won't you be content? You'll get back all the love that you spent, and you'll know fulfillment. Okay, enough about time. And you'll know it. Oh yeah, you'll know it. The road is a long one and full of potholes, and it's crowded with a lot of lost souls. The lighting isn't very good at first. In order to drink, you must know thirst. And you'll know it. Oh yeah, you'll know it. As you near the end of that road, you'll thirst no more and you'll lose your load. As you begin to see the light, you'll walk no more, you'll begin your flight. That looked pretty good, I would say. And you'll know it. Not too bad. Stinky. Love favors the innocent. Take this down. So little one, won't you be content? Pretty good. You'll get back all the love that you spent, and you'll know fulfillment. I was a hull tech in the Navy. Looks like I still got it. Okay, that went pretty good. We'll let's get back on there. Oh boy, there's some good ideas on that table. Okay. Well, let's see if we can do as good on this one as we did on that one. Okay. Too shabby. Okay, and there's one more spot back here on the starboard aft. Boy, that stuff's about to make me dizzy. Woo! Oh, I feel funny. I feel funny. Okay. Oh, goodness. Okay. Oh, boy. I'm trying not to breathe. Huh. Pardon. There we go. Not too scary. Oh, it stinks. Oh, goodness. Oh. Phew. That's toxic. Oh, goodness. Okay. Well, see there, that was easy. And don't it look better? See that? And if you can imagine the cushions in it, that's some real nice deal there. Okay, well, there we go. There's a job well done. Not too bad. That was easy.